It's a morning, one of those mornings that the sun comes out instead of the rain, and we are running around in Charlie's car trying to find breakfast. And on the way, those two figure out to try to find the lake that we have found, and whether they want to see whether there are any chances of fishes in them. So I'm in charge of taking care of the car. Let's see what's happened, but at the moment I'm hungry. Okay, they're smiling, so there are chances. There's Busang Perak looking for another lake that he has found and noticed. Can you see him? Right there. He's our scout looking at. Okay. Yes, he says it's perfect, so we're gonna get our rods. So once we arrive, it rained, but he already left his bag there. So we are fishing. Yes, we are fishing because he has left his bags over there. Be careful on the step. Oh, sure.
Just be careful, it's not flat.
It's not what? Flat?
Flat.
Ah, okay.
We'll take the tape, Bruce.
I'm following you.
No, it's not flat, just be careful.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, I'm okay. Because we have a heavy vehicle in front of us plowing the way. So
one person, but the family is systematic.
This is how we roll in Malaysia. We have an English guy, a Malay, and a Chinese, local Chinese, and we respect each other. Okay, these drinks are brought from Charlie. You see, he brought me 100 plus, but for our white guy, his 100 plus is nothing, so he got Tiger.
Not nothing,
and he got Carlsberg. See, this is all about respect, you know. He knows what I can take, what I cannot take, so he brought me 100 plus.
I thought you know respect. I brought it to a lake with no fish.
Again, we are not fishing. We are, what do you call it? Chillaxing?
We're chillaxing.
Chillaxing.
Charlie hates it.
Chillaxing.
Charlie's in pain from having to relax.
Usually when I do this, I put the words on in the video, chillaxing. Like the electric company. Electric company. Trout.
Have perch and bream. Carp can be like this big.
Wow.
But bass. Bream can be this big. Pike can be huge. Like, probably as tall as me. And they will fight to live and like that.
Yeah, that's the fiercest, right? Pikes
are
fierce.
killers of the freshwater, yeah.
Oh, wow. So we have our floats and baits.
We also have
and
sanders, which are a mix of pike and I think perch.
Perch.
They're evil things. Sanders are like the most evil.
Sea bass? Sorry. Yeah, bass?
Yeah, not bass in lakes, no, sea bass, as you said.
Bass. Yeah,
Bream.
Bass. Bream.
Most of the food is like the carp were brought to the UK by eating.
Oh.
Again, Chinese.
Yeah, it's all Chinese.
Carp.
Carp, yes. Carp.
It's origin from China.
China.
China,
For
Japan.
eating.
Oh.
So we have a massive carp.
You eat carps?
Carp. Well, people did. Not so much now. Like I said to you before, like poor people food now becomes expensive food.
Oh.
But it's not, because apparently it tastes quite dirty.
Bland, right? I mean bland.
I don't know about bland, because you've got bloody sambal, you put that on it. It doesn't taste
Yeah,
like
it
that, does it?
Muddy,
But we tend
Muddy,
to
yeah?
eat, we tend to eat saltwater fish.
Saltwater fish.
We have catfish, big catfish.
Oh, snakefish, yeah?
Yeah, you have snakehead, don't you? Bruce look like snakes.
Snake hits.
snake head.
That's what we want, a snake. what I really want to see.
So after the rain, we can see some bugs on the surface of the water, which gives a sign that the fishes are going up for the bugs and also for our bait. Hopefully. Alright, did you know we have we have what do you call that? Fly traps.
Yeah, Venus fly trap type.
Fly
Venus
traps.
fly trap.
Yeah,
These
but
are the ones that like they go into the water at the bottom, don't they? They
But-
can't get out.
yes, of course. But this is very special because usually these plants, they are on the top of a tree, not the top, but
Really?
at least like 1 meter above the ground. But this one is on the ground. Okay. By the way, what I'm trying to say is, have you eaten lemang? Lemang? Yeah. Lemang. This rice cooked in bamboo,
Yeah.
and with coconut milk.
No, but I like that.
By
Is
the
that
way,
a pudding?
it's
Is that a
glutinous
sweet?
rice.
Sweet.
It's a little bit. It's a little bit.
Charlie
But
says no.
some people, they cook it in that,
Okay. What, in the thing?
in the thing. Would you eat it?
Oh yeah. Why not?
This
It's
one.
everywhere. It's everywhere, Leo. See it?
But I will not eat it because it's full of flies, and then they
Not
take
full of flies. You can see if they got anything in them.
They clean it actually before they
Yeah, of course, but still.
Oh, shut up. That says the man that eats everything.
Whoa.
Whoa.
So here's a prank. We walk by through that barricades there. The idea is that the Amo will shove away the barricade, and we bring our equipment and bags to the car, and we're gonna drive there, and he's going to move the barricade back, and he's going to come into the car. But the prank is we're gonna let him wait there for 5 minutes. 5 minutes enough? Until he put up one of his dirty fingers, and then we'll go there.
Go.
Okay, Silverfox is bringing us to his backyard. He has a giant backyard, and this is just the iceberg, the tip of the iceberg of it. So he's gonna show us around his backyard.
This is a funny one actually, Leo. The story of this is I came here on my motorbike, but I couldn't keep going.
Uh-huh.
It's jungly.
Yeah.
And I thought, well, I don't know where it goes. So I looked on Google Earth and I saw that the path was really short through to the other side. If
Ah.
it hadn't been for Google Earth, I wouldn't have gone, so I thought I'd just get lost.
Oh yeah, right.
Right, what's that?
Tigers.
It's a big old palm tree.
Yep.
That's old, isn't it?
Very.
Sure.
Yeah.
Right, watch out for the python
Okay.
and the tiger.
Oh.
Welcome to Sunway Iskandar. We have Leo, I'm Charlie, and we're on a quick wander to the waterfront.
Yeah. Monkey. Wow.
Someone went in here hacking.
Right, coming through here. There's a lake here on the right side. I guess it's I suppose it's General Lake. So you see what I mean, Leo? If you're starting this, you don't know how far it goes.
Oh.
I'd stop,
Yep.
but it's just there.
Ah.
Maybe you have to look. So here, monkeys.
Monkeys.
Here's a little lake.
Oh, okay.
That's where you're going to get your snakes and stuff.
This rather, I call
Actually,
it.
there's a lake on the other side of the road here as well.
I call it.
But I
pool.
guess as it's Sunway, we can't fish. There you go.
Mallow?
Keep going.
Mallow.
Charlie?
Mallow monkey.
Oh.
No fish here.
How do you know? There's going to be fish there. It's a wild lake.
River, river. Look for river.
Look for the sea. Look for the cobra.
Oh, is there more?
Where's that coming from? Singapore?
Alarm? Alert?
Yeah. Sunday Iskandar and the gang boats on the wall.
Ah.
Yes, remember we came here?
Oh, we've been here then.
Yes.
So you know where you're going now?
No, from the other side.
Yeah, I know, and the hill. But I'm taking you from this side.
Wow, and after that short walk about 3 minutes away, the water lines. Whoa! We have, that's the sea. Wow! Another fishing spot that I think we should go next time. Yeah, this looks like a proper fishing spots, not like the ones that we went before, which we just chillaxing. This is serious fishing. That's good, man. Oh wow. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Very nice, man. Yes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Me too.
Look at that way, it's raining over in Singapore big time.
That's Singapore?
Yeah.
Oh.
Second link there, so we actually come by it.
Oh. Oh, that's second link. Ah. For what, huh? Ah. It's lunchtime maybe? Probably. Yeah, they're patrolling, right?
Yeah.
Is theirs?
Yeah. There.
Yeah.
We don't care if you come here, they care if you go there.
Yeah.
You see it all left there.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm not an actor. When is my actor? Alan, I'm not an actor.
So, what are the chances that you'll be walking in the rain in Malaysia with an English guy friend? Rare, man.
That's why it's not wear the hat as well.
Yeah, with a hat. Yeah. And that guy is he's
Running
sissy.
away. Charlie!
He's sissy.
Charlie!
He's running away. Yeah. See? Why don't you let him be?
Oh, we could have lost him. He's
Oh,
driving. We're
oh,
stuck
right.
out in the rain.
Oh, but yeah, he's driving. Yeah. So, at the same time, I am testing my GoPro Hero 5 that claims to be waterproof, even without being in its waterproof casing. So, here we go. It is still running, and I hope that the microphone does work too in this rain. Here we have a small pond there, which Charlie says that probably they have fish there. Oh no, sorry, Charlie says they don't have fish in there, but Alan, Silverfox believes that they are, because they are natural lakes, or should I call pond. And I am drenching in the rain, which I seldom do because I'm not so adventurous. But knowing these two guys, I'm beginning to be an adventurer. Hey, this is good, man. I mean, it's just rain, it's just water, so what's the fuss about? Just be careful and don't slip or fall in this kind of natural habitats, because you wouldn't know whether somebody will know that you fall in there. So we are drenched.
Leo is
Putting on, just getting myself
stoic look now.
dry.
I think my phone is a bit wet.
Right, so
Just because
we are
everything's
drenched.
slowly.
Our
My
clothes
shirt's
are
back.
drenched. Mickey is drenched.
Underwear is
And underwear still okay.
Too much information, Charlie.
My cat,
So anyway, we're in Sushi
my
House.
cat is strange.
It's very
My
tidy here.
new caterpillar bag
My
is
telephone
quite
is
wet, but
so
because it claims to be waterproof, so
except
I
it's
think
not actually
it
tidy
should be
inside, but it appears
it should be
that way.
okay.
So we're hearing rumours.
Yeah, they mix all the
parent
together.
Oh, they're putting it all together?
Yes, yes.
For whoever.
Okay.
That definitely won't get eaten by me. The rest is all mine.
Alright.
Did anyone order that?
Everything came together, right?
Lower that one, is it?
No,
Okay,
sure.
Thingy. Sweet. Sticks.
Where are we?
Oh yeah. Sushi House.
Ah, the sushi house. Next door to Sushi King. Nah, just kidding. Sushi house. Next to the Sushi Palace. Come on.
Oh no.
Sushi King.
I am amazed with these boats.
Teriyaki chicken.
We order a lot of
I'm not sure
sushis,
whether I ordered right.
but it came in a same
My
boat.
phone's soaking wet.
Look at the way they present their wasabi. Wasabi or wasabi? Wasabi. Or teriyaki.
Oh, there's wasabi there.
Ah, there's wasabi there.
Any wasabi?
There.
Yeah.
And
I do it wrong though. You see the proper way. You're not meant to put chip stuff in it.
Yeah, it was supposed to.
I don't do it. Smart or something. I can't go smart. A monkey. 3-month-old raven. That's a crow. It's apparently smarter than a chip. Actually.
Oh.
Ravens are smart animals.
Oh. Smarter than monkeys.
They use tools.
Yes, there is too. I know that.
Good.
Very good. Well,
That's
better
what
than,
we should do.
better than Sakai. Have you been to Sakai?
I went to, not to say it's the same company, but I went to a time that I in Hawaii.
Oh.
So I shit myself away for 2 days. We all did, we were all really ill. Probably not the same company though.
You like Sakai? So?
Thanks. Todd is like selling it on a piece of time.
Thank you. I'm getting infected with the crown virus. So it's
And the
slowly
fan.
becoming
Down with the fan.
while I'm retiring. You'll be my apprentice.
Can you retire?
I already did. Half of it. I mean, I don't go for house
Job?
but I don't.
No, it's not.
Well, we can share. I ordered that.
I don't like it. I like that. I'll eat that, but I don't care.
Oh.
I like to eat eggs on top of something. I don't really like them on their own. I love sweet corn. I'm a weirdo with sweet corn.
Sweet corn.
Well, I don't know how sweet corn is in sushi, but hey. It took me about 3 years just to eat this stuff.
Took you 3 years.
I'd always go for it with the stingray wrap around it. I just tried one day and I thought, wow, that's really delicious. Sweet, sure.
Yeah. Corn, bananas.
Now I'm much faster trying things.
This one?
No, corn's all right.
Corn? Oh. But you don't eat pineapples at all, right?
Oh, pineapple. I used to eat pineapples sweets when I was a kid, where pineapple flavour sweets, but not real pineapple.
Ah, the pineapple.
So when I first made it,
Uh-huh.
I didn't take a lot of Chinese food,
Oh,
Malay food. You know.
yeah.
Every day stick to bread, coffee.
Oh, God.
You should be slim by back then, right?
Yeah, that time is
Slim.
Oh,
slim.
no, never slim.
Slim, huh?
Try Chinese food, Malay food, become fat.
Got it.
Rub my nose.
Wow. That's good.
Oh, oh, that took a long time to get up.
Huh?
I was starting my nose, it didn't take it took a long time to get there.
Oh,
That's the best one.
that's feeling.
Yeah, 'cause that's the addictive part, I think. It's the pain afterwards. Niceness after the pain. Yummy, yummy.
Alright. The miso is mine.
That's actually mine, but I gave it to you.
Thank you.
I like miso stick either.
You don't need this. Ah,
Don't get the point. What should we?
got to it.
You eat chicken feet?
No.
Really?
My wife does.
Weird. I mean, not weird, but yeah, weird.
Yeah.
When there's a whole chicken, again, poor food. Pork is for food.
Yeah.
But that's always going to say pork is for food. No one's chicken wouldn't be.
Yep. It's be alright. 1 minute ago, those and all that.
You don't eat organs, that's very weird, because I was trying to eat that before you get enough food.